step into the 2008 Mercedes-Benz CLK-Class CLK350. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are vehicle stability assist, outside temperature gauge, power outlet, turn signal mirrors, multi-function steering wheel, passenger seat height adjust, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and remote trunk release. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.